Hello everyone. Today I will share with you about the Lexus Texas production process at the Toyota factory in Indiana. Lexus Texas is Lexus's latest large SUV model, first introduced in 2023. Lexus Texas is produced together with the production line of Toyota Highlander. Both models are produced at the Toyota factory in Indiana, USA. Lexus Texas is not just a car, but also a work of perfect combination of art and modern technology. Let's start this journey, step by step. Usually, the vehicle manufacturing process will include the following stages. 1. Preparation phase. When materials and parts arrive, a new chapter of the creative journey begins. Meticulous quality checks to ensure every small part is perfect. The production line is prepared, marking modernity and being ready for the next step. 2. Welding stage. This is where energy is transformed from raw materials into shape, as the car body and chassis connect with robotic precision. Each weld line is a drawing of uniformity and solidity. 3. Painting stage. The transition from welding to painting is where the car begins to reveal its unique appearance. Powder coating is the secret to protecting the vehicle from all environmental challenges. 4. Assembly stage. Body parts, engine and transmission all come together to create a true work of art. Interior and exterior, every detail installed with meticulousness and dedication. 5. Testing phase. Where every effort is evaluated, from overall quality to performance. The end result. The car is not just a product, but a symbol of perfection. 6. Factory stage. The car's journey begins when it is sent to Lexus dealerships around the world, a new array of experiences for the prospective owner. Thus, each stage is connected together like a story, creating a journey of continuous creation. Lexus Texas at Toyota Indiana factory. Surely, each car is not just a product, but a work of art of the highest quality. Toyota Highlander is a mid-size SUV manufactured by Toyota Motor Corporation. Highlander was first introduced in 2000 and has gone through 4 generations. Highlander is Toyota's best-selling SUV model in the US market. Lexus Texas is a large SUV manufactured by Lexus, Toyota's luxury brand. The Texas was first introduced in 2023 and is Lexus' first large SUV. Toyota Highlander is a mid-size SUV manufactured by Toyota Motor Corporation. Highlander was first introduced in 2000 and has gone through 4 generations. Highlander is Toyota's best-selling SUV model in the US market. Joint production of these 2 car models helps Toyota save costs and improve production efficiency. Both models have Toyota's TNGA-K chassis platform, helping to reduce development and production costs. In addition, the joint production of these 2 models also helps Toyota meet growing customer demand for luxury SUVs. The Lexus Texas production line at the Toyota plant in Indiana is equipped with the following advanced technologies. Automatic inspection system. This system is used to check the quality of parts and components before entering the production line. This system can detect the smallest defects, helping to ensure that only high-quality parts and components are used to assemble the vehicle. Welding robot. The welding robot is used to weld the body and chassis of the Lexus TX. The welding robot can perform welding operations accurately and evenly, helping to ensure that the vehicle body and chassis are highly durable. Powder coating system. Powder coating system is used to paint the body and chassis of the Lexus TX. Powder coating helps protect the vehicle from environmental influences, such as rain, sun, and salt. Automatic assembly system. This system is used to assemble body parts, engine, transmission system, interior and exterior of Lexus TX. This system helps ensure that parts are assembled accurately and evenly. Quality inspection system. This system is used to check the overall quality of Lexus TX. This system can detect the smallest defects, helping to ensure that the vehicle meets Lexus standards. In addition to the advanced technologies mentioned above, the Lexus Texas production line at the Toyota factory in Indiana is also equipped with other technologies to ensure vehicle quality, such as Quality Management System. This system is used to monitor and control the quality of vehicles throughout the production process. Employee Training System. This system is used to train employees on Lexus production processes and quality standards. Thanks to these advanced technologies, Lexus Texas is manufactured with high quality, meeting Lexus standards and bringing customers maximum satisfaction.